Hey, everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. So, I'm bringing you a special Saturday Kroger 3-day sale video. And I say Saturday, you could be watching this on Sunday or even Monday because it does last 3 whole days. It starts on April 11th, Saturday, and goes through Monday, the 13th of 2026. So, we've got a bunch of deals I wanted to bring to you and make sure you knew about so that you don't miss out on them this weekend because there are some pretty sweet deals. All right, so let's jump into this. But before we do, hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, hit all so you don't miss any of the videos that I post, even on the weekends. And let's get into this one. All right, so today, Saturday, as I'm making this video, does start the 3-day sale. It will go Saturday, Sunday, and through Monday. So if for some reason you can't get to the store over the weekend, don't worry, stop after work on Monday or possibly in the morning, whenever you want to shop throughout these next 3 days. You're going to be able to grab all of these items for their sale price. You don't have to download any digital coupons. You don't have to submit any receipts. You can just go to the store and grab some really good deals. We're going to go through each deal one by one. I'm going to show you the regular price, if they happen to be on sale prior to the 3-day sale, and then what the price is going to be on those 3 particular days. Okay, so let's start out with the very first deal, which is probably my favorite one out of all of them, is the Taylor Farm salad kits. So these are regularly priced at $4.59. They are on sale and pretty regularly on sale, 3 for $11 or sometimes even 3 for $10. So right now they're 3 for $11 at $3.67 each. Better than paying $4.59, but still not the best deal in the world. But you're going to be able to pick these up for $2.99 each with your card. All you have to do is check out with your card. Again, this runs from April 11th through the 13th, only those 3 days. The only thing that disappoints me about this particular deal is because it's such a good price. I would love to stock up on them, but you can't really freeze salad. It doesn't taste very good when you unfreeze it. So it's kind of one of those things where I need to just purchase the deal, as many as I think I can get through before the salads go bad. But I do love, my favorite is the Caesar salad Taylor Farm salad kit. So if you're interested in trying one out, that's the one I recommend the most. I love their Caesar dressing, but I am a Caesar fan to begin with. So let me know in the comments if there's a particular flavor of salad that you like with Taylor Farms. All right. So the next deal that we have is going to be the Ballpark Frank, which is probably a very close second for me. And this is the beef hot dogs, okay? Let's be very, very clear. The beef hot dogs are super expensive. They're regularly priced at $6.49 for an 8-pack. They are on sale with a slight sale price of $5.99, but we're going to take $2 more off with this 3-day sale and be able to grab these for $3.99 each. And again, they are the beef franks. So not the cheapo turkey, not turkey, but whatever they do, the mixture of meat deals that you don't know what you're really eating. But by the way, if you do want that, those happen to be on mega sale. So the Ballpark hot dogs that are like the classic ones, they are just made of a variety of meats. We don't even know what they are. They're regularly priced at $3.99. They're on sale for $3.49. They're part of the mega sale for $2.49 each, and that's your final cost, just $2.49 on those. But again, the beef are going to be $3.99, which is a pretty decent price. All right, so the next deal, which may be your favorite deal, I think a lot of people prefer the soda deals. I am just not a Pepsi fan. I'm Diet Coke's my thing. So Diet Coke is where I am going to want to stock up on. So if this was Diet Coke, I'd be all about it. Anyway, if you happen to not be a Diet Coke fan, you could grab Pepsi or 7-Up products. It's the 24 pack. They're regularly priced, which I can't believe this, $16.99, $17 for a 24 pack. They do happen to be $1 off on sale for $15.99, but we're going to go a whole, $7 cheaper and get them for $8.99. It's 50, not 50% off. That would be $18, wouldn't it? So whatever it is, almost 50% off. $8.99 for a 24 pack is a great stock up price if you need it. Now, take note and check your region, because this is my region for the Pepsi or the 7 Up. But there is a Texas region that I know is going to be getting the Dr. Pepper only on this $8.99 sale. Still a really amazing deal, regularly priced at $16.99, on sale for $15.99, but $8.99 each. But they're not getting the Pepsi or 7 Up. So keep that in mind. Check your region. Let me know in the comments if you happen to get something different than what I have. But I think majority of us are probably getting the Pepsi and 7 Up. Just a few regions are going to get that Dr. Pepper. All right, so the next deal we have is the Kroger orange juice. It is the 64-ounce bottle of orange juice. I can't believe how expensive this is regularly priced. It's regularly priced at $4.49, on sale for $3.79, but we're going to be able to pick them up on the 3-day sale for $2.99 each. So if you drink orange juice, I would grab plenty of these and stock up as much as you can before you think they'll go bad or what you can get through, because that is kind of crazy that they are regularly priced at $4.49. So $2.99, not a bad deal. We don't drink orange juice at our household. None of my kids really like it. And although I do like orange juice, it's not the best for you. So I just don't drink it. But 64 ounce, it does say a limit of 5 that you could grab there. So maybe you could stock up with a full 5 of them, but there you go. Another really good deal for the 3-day sale, at least in my region, is the Kroger tortilla chips. Now, these are regularly priced at $1.99, so it's not a huge savings with $1.49 each. But again, look and see if you happen to have this digital coupon. So I have a it's a store coupon. It's a best customer bonus coupon for 65 cents off 2. I can add that to this 3-day sale of these tortilla chips being $1.49. It looks like it's the classic potato chips, but it does include the tortilla chips on that as well. So if you happen to have this coupon, it will not go into everybody's account. It does vary from account to account, but double check and see if you happen to have this digital coupon to pair with this particular deal and get them for slightly cheaper than the $1.49 price point. But there you go on those. Now, my region does not have this particular deal, but the Texas region I've been looking at does have this like beer deal. I'm not actually sure how you say this, so I don't want to butcher it. So I'm just going to say beer deal. These are regularly priced at $33.99 for the bottles and $35.99 for the cans. It is both, and it does include both the 24-pack of the 12-ounce bottles or the 12-ounce cans. Now, the cans happen to be on sale for $31.99, but overall they're more expensive for that regular price. So you're going to bring it down. You're taking off anywhere from like $12 to $14 basically to get us down to $19.99, which is a nice little price point for you if you were going to spend over $30 for these. So anyway, again, this is region specific. So check your region, see what you happen to have. Let me know in the comments if you have anything different than what I've shown you today, and what region you're from, because I'm interested to see if you've got some other things that are out there. All right, guys, so that's all I'm bringing you today on Saturday, just letting you know about that 3-day sale, making sure that you grab some of the best deals possible. My question of the day is nothing too excited, but which one of those is your favorite? Like I said, there's several of them that I think I want to grab. I love the ballpark beef franks. I think that's a great deal. The tortilla chips is a decent deal if I'm going to be in store. I don't know that I'd make a special trip for them, but if I'm going to go ahead and grab the other items like the Taylor Farm salad kit, which is my favorite deal, I might as well grab a bag of tortilla chips to go with it and use my 65 cents off 2 digital coupon. So let me know in the comments your favorite deal, if it's the soda deal, or obviously comment and let me know if you have something different than what I showed you today. Have a wonderful weekend. I'll be back with you tomorrow on Sunday with our sneak peek ad preview. And of course, I'll be back with you with more deals later on throughout the week. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll be back with you with more deals later. Bye, guys.